Okay, the sound worked. That last video I was sort of shocked because the sound hadn't been working. And all I did is put my what the heck is going on? I'm not sure why that's doing that. All right, anyways, so yeah, I put this. I did the video and it actually worked. I couldn't believe it. I don't know. I don't know why. I guess maybe the microphone to my computer isn't working, and I have to plug in the camera in order for the sound to work. All right, let's see here. Okay. Okay, now this is the one where I'm opening up 3 different elemental summoning spheres. So I'm going to write that in the description too. Okay. Alright, let me do this really quick. $88 intelligence crystals. Okay. Alright. You know what, maybe I should build up the drama a little bit. Alright, we're all here to see me open up the lesser elemental spirit summoning sphere, the dark spirit summoning sphere, and the light spirit summoning sphere. Alright, well, this thing's been I think I just got this past week. These other 2 have been waiting around for a couple weeks now. There they are. Alright, first things first, I'm muting the TV because it's annoying me. Alright, so the dark spirit summoning sphere and the light spirit summoning sphere. You know what I think I'll do? I'll pull up the drama. It's only 3 minutes into the video, so hold on. I'm going to do this first. What the heck? Get all this stuff out of the way. And then give a little bit of advice. I know it's almost over. I think it's the last day. But you really should. Foundations of power. Like, look. The only reason why I do this is so I like to see things lit up. So I let one stand. I'll have to buy emeralds. Anyways. But, yeah, I have to buy them and then spend them. But these things here, it's pretty much worth it, to be honest with you. If you notice, I upgraded my titans and my heroes also. I'm down to, I was over 270,000 emeralds, and I just upgraded everything. Alright, so that's that. I don't think I started this. No, I started it. No, I did. I forgot about this. It's that one's still going. I didn't even start this one. Ginger's artifact weapon. Okay, so when that's done, I'll collect all these. It doesn't matter. I collected one down here before. I was trying to upgrade someone's. I think it was like either a Satori or what's his name? The guy that has the balloon. I can't think of his name. Where the heck is he? The question is here, Georgian. Okay. So I got two guys. He's maxed and she needs two more to max. Special events, airship, chat, merchants. I don't need one. I don't need it. This I need. Alright. I got myself 51. And I usually buy this like every day I buy one and I don't have enough for it, so. Okay, I wanted, another thing. Here, check this out. Mac, this is for you. Alright, I've been gaining. I'm all the way down to 70. I'm like less than 200,000 from the next person. I mean, to get in the top 50. I got 51. I'm one away there. These don't matter. Sometimes I'm in the top 100, sometimes in the top 200, sometimes in the top under. Now, check this out. Way to go, Mac. Titanite number 5. We're kicking some butt. And I'm a few less than 200 away from jumping in the top 50 here. And it's funny because over the last, like, say 3 weeks I've been watching this. We got boom, 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 and my God, boom. I don't know if it was Mac or Ghost Rider. One of them came in and like bang, bang. He like passed VG, passed Corvo, he passed Ghost, or here he is, Ghost. I think it was Ghost. He just came flying out of nowhere. He went from like, I don't know where he was starting, but he went. So even though there was only 2 of them in, when I first started watching it was Corvo and Mac. Ghost and Avicii jumped in. Now there's 4, and as soon as I get to 50, there'll be 5 of us in the top 50. That's pretty good, I think. So, okay. But yeah, look at Mac. Mac's amazing. He's very godlike with those numbers. Okay, enough of that. Let's go do what we came here to see. Okay, that's just talking about what the heck? Oh, hey. From this right here, it's only 4 messages the whole day. 60,000. Oops, hit the wrong thing. Sorry, guys. I only did my Titanite. I only did this for the divination cards. So, okay. I gotta do my dungeon. Titanite mining. I'm not doing it on this video. Look how slow my computer's going. It's a disgrace. Come on. Thirteen and a half seconds. Yay! Alright. So, let's see here. I got 10 left there, and I got... Alright, I haven't used any. Okay, here we go. Well, where am I at? I'm at 16,624. So I need 186 to get into the top 50. 187, whatever. 177. Alright, what do I need? I need to go back. did this already. Need to go back, and here we go, guys. Opening elemental summoning spheres. Alright, I just got this one. Maybe I'll save this one for last. See if I can finally get a damn, a damn fire one. This is the other thing. I had a bunch of these. I got down, I think I only need to complete like 4 or 5 characters. Like I just went through it today. Alvanor was one of them. I need 254. I think Morrigan, Corvo, or Corvus. Who else? Satori, maybe? 82. Someone else. I just finished 3 of them. I finished Georgian, Zhu, and somebody else. No, Zhu's the other one I need. Yeah, I still need him. There's the twins. Oh, I know, I do need one more. Helios. 70 more. If you guys, please put a note down at the bottom if you're watching this. Which one should I get? Should I upgrade first? I think Morrigan is somewhere that I could get them. Zhu, I could get them. Alvanor, Corvus, and Zhu, I could get him now. He's in one of those. Was it Georgian? Yeah, I just finished him today. Oh, Helios. Oh, I could get her on the storyboards. Huh. Alright, anyways, alright, I didn't realize it was this late. Let me do these summoning spheres quick. I'll save this one for last. How about that one video I made where I just opened 2 different things for Mac, and on the second one I think it was a Earth Elemental. I couldn't believe it. Alright, Dark first. Alright, so I'm not sure which one that is. I guess it's just... so this doesn't even matter. You're just going to get a dark one and a light one. I'm thinking that there's different kinds, like there is for the for the regular Titans. Alright, light summoning sphere. Okay, so we got one of those. I liked it better when the noise popped up. Doodle, doodle, doodle. Okay, here we go. Alright, which one am I going to get? Am I going to get the water? Am I going to get the earth? Or am I going to get the fire? No matter what I get, I'm happy, but I don't have any fire yet, so that would be nice, but I'd finally be able to throw those fire tornadoes. Alright, here we go. Let's do a little drum roll. Alright, I'm going to wait until the video hits 14 minutes. I don't want to get an unlucky one. You know, triskaidekaphobia. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 14 minutes. Oh, I got another Earth. Okay. So, that's awesome. Alright. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry about cursing on the last one. I get pretty pissed when I watch referees cheat during football, basketball, even hockey now. Broke my heart watching them cheat. Anaheim back in 2015 with the Blackhawks in the Western Finals. They gave them 2 5-on-3s in the championship in the 7th game. What a joke. And then they cheated Tampa Bay. Such a joke. What could you do? Alright, guys. You guys have a good one. And thanks for watching. I appreciate it.